Introducing ERPLANS, Enterprise Resource Planning Solution Platform by Cidigi. With ERPLANS, you can collect data, strategize, and hit your milestones. Faster your way from single productions to complex productions management. Kick off every project efficiently with one intuitive form together and all the information you need for every project quotations you review and approve. And automatically get you to visualize your baseline scope and status breakdowns at any level. Stay aligned with your critical path and monitor and balance your resources. When you're ready for business, execute with seamless collaborations across your portfolio. Bridge your departments with ERPLANS and don't let anything slow you down. Let the platform handle your repetitive tasks. Help you to manage dependencies and save valuable time. The best fuel to execute faster real-time analytics to drive decisions. Get the right stakeholders the metric they actually need in a second by using customizable dashboards to analyze and share live reports, optimize progress, and mitigate risks at any level. And to get instant insight on how your production department is progressing, just use your high-level portfolio dashboard. It pulls data from all your productions so you can instantly see bottlenecks and trends to improve your business processes within budget. The platform can also provide solutions to provide a selected company's business data that can specifically be directly shared with business partners for the purpose of achieving collaborations and accelerations of execution in a company's business ecosystem. In all of the existing functions, ERPLANS can provide solutions in the improvement of planning and management of information system, accuracy of operational and business data of the company, integrations of the company's business ecosystem, increasing efficiency and productivity, and all of which will lead to increasing company profitability.